Opus 4.8 just dropped, and they hid the best part. Look, the announcement was clean. But I've been digging through everything since it dropped, and here's what they glossed over. If you care about AI actually running your business, you need to understand what's actually in this update. First, benchmarks. Opus 4.8 is beating everything right now. ChatGPT 5.5, Google's latest, it's not even close. And I'm not talking about synthetic benchmarks nobody uses, real world agentic tasks, coding, reasoning, the stuff that actually matters when you're building systems. Second, price. Same exact price as 4.7. Zero increase. In a world where every AI company is raising prices every quarter, Anthropic held the line. That almost never happens, and it tells you something about their strategy right now. Third, hallucinations cut by 4 times. If you've been using Claude for anything serious, code, pipelines, automations, fewer hallucinations means fewer errors, means fewer hours debugging. That compounds hard over weeks. And fast mode is now 3 times cheaper. It used to cost 6 times more than standard. That math just completely flipped, which means your agentic workflows just got a lot less expensive to run at scale. But the thing they really buried, and this is the one that changes everything, Claude Code can now spin up thousands of subagents simultaneously to work on one task at the same time. Think about what that means. You're not running one agent through a process anymore. You're running a parallel workforce. That's not an update, and that is a completely different category of tool. And I've been building with exactly this, using Claude Code to run meta ads, build landing pages, automate cold outreach, and I put everything into my AI Playbook, the exact workflows, prompts, and systems I use to run my whole business with AI. Drop Playbook in the comments, and I'll send it straight to you. My take on all this, Anthropic is pricing 4.8 at 4.7 prices because something significantly bigger is coming in the next few weeks. This is a positioning move. They want you locked into Claude before the next announcement lands. So switch everything to 4.8 today. If you're not on it yet, start now. Focus is the whole game in 2026. If this broke it down for you, hit subscribe and drop a like. I break this stuff down every week so you're never behind.